In the 19th century, thousands of brave Luxembourgers set out to pursue dreams of a better life in the New World. As early as the 1820s, some of the first Luxembourgish immigrants to the Americas made their way to the south of Brazil. And starting in the 1850s, many more would leave for the USA and its Midwest. Across Wisconsin, Minnesota, Illinois, and Iowa, Luxembourgish colonies started to pop up. And these communities thrived. However, the New World Luxembourgers still remained who they were, a proud people with deep connections to their homeland. But many people would confuse these Luxembourgers for Germans. And for this very reason, most of these New World Luxembourgers were deprived of their mother tongue during the war. Despite this tragedy, most held the culture and traditions of their homeland deep in their hearts. Many years later, in 2008, Luxembourg passed its first law allowing for dual nationality. This law also allowed the descendants of these brave Luxembourgers to reclaim the nationality their ancestors might have lost. I don't think anyone at the time could have imagined how popular this possibility would become. A few years after this law was enacted, the numbers started to grow, faster and faster. By the end of 2018, 4,509 people from the United States and 15,477 Brazilian adults also applied to reclaim Luxembourgish nationality through an ancestor alive on January 1st, 1900. But with all that said, many people in Luxembourg have never met any of these new citizens, nor do they understand why an American might want to leave New York for Differdange or the beaches of Santa Catarina for the winter in Marche. We at LuxCitizenship have been studying this group of dual nationals since 2018. Our Unique in the World study tries to provide an overview of who were the Luxembourgish ancestors who set out from their small country for the New World, and who and why their descendants are becoming Grand Ducal in droves. We think this is a first step in getting to know each other, and we're sure you'll be hearing more about this population very soon.